Did you know that just 4 minutes of specific movement could revolutionize your sleep and break through fitness plateaus? Get ready to unlock the secret of dynamic flexibility. Meet Sarah, who discovered that combining Tabata-style exercises with dynamic stretching transformed her fitness journey. Research shows these quick, intense bursts of movement help your muscles function better while melting away tension that keeps you tossing and turning at night. The magic happens when you pair these exercises with consistent sleep patterns, going to bed and waking up at the same time every day. Scientists found that people who practice dynamic flexibility exercises experience deeper sleep cycles, leading to better muscle recovery. This improved recovery means your body is primed for peak performance in every workout, helping you push past those frustrating progress plateaus. Want to break free from your fitness plateau? Try this tonight: 4 minutes of Tabata stretches before bed. Drop it if you're in!